If you can see me right, let's go. Let me see. Let me look at my Twitch. So we'll be reacting to Charli D'Amelio, guys. As you know, Charli D'Amelio is one of the most popular TikTokers on TikTok. I mean, the rise of her was on the pandemic, and she did very well, guys. She performed at the highest level. I mean, I think I was gonna dislike her, but I don't dislike her, guys. I think she is very cool. She does like her TikTok dance, and yeah. I mean, Charli D'Amelio family is like it's like Kim Kardashian family, but without the tape, guys. So so let me react to.
Water in a pot. Keep in mind, I'm not a chef. I don't claim to be. Don't give me tips because I like the way it tastes.
I mean, of course, you're not chef, this and that. I know, baby girl, but if you want to get to the next level, you need advice from the best. You need tips. You need people who are in the domain so you can improve better.
That was so mean. No, I know I'm not a professional, but it works for me, and I'm happy with my recipe. Let's hope the stove works. Okay, ready? So this is how our stove works.
But she can't even turn on the stove. What?
That's so annoying. Every single time. Okay, we salt the water.
Too much salt. Too much salt. Whoa, 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 whoa. Too much salt.
Fusilli, because I ran out of all my fancy noodles. Now the sauce is where I tend to throw people off. I also don't think we have any.
I actually like Charli D'Amelio, guys, because she is like very fancy girl, rich girl. I like those type of girl, rich girls. They don't have too much body count, you know what I mean? They don't have too much boyfriend. They don't sleep around too much. I like those type of girls, but I actually like Charli D'Amelio. I mean, when I reach to the next level at a certain benchmark on numbers, followers, maybe I can do a collab because I know some people in LA that can make that connect happen, guys. Let's go. Let's react.
So take out your Nutribullet. If you're someone like me that hates texture, this is how you make some pasta sauce. I like mine spicy, so is this one or the Rayo's one is really good too.
Oh, so you mixed it.
I just use milk because it seems easier. And then this looks a little sketchy, but you take this red pepper and if you like spice, put some of that in it.
What is your mise en place? What is your mise en place?
I'm not a chef. I don't claim to be. Don't come at me. I already don't want to hear it.
Yes, yes. You know I'm coming, baby girl.
Fresh basil.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this? What are you doing? What is this? What is this? You're moving it. You're shaking it. Why are you shaking it like this? This is like you can sauce tomato. What are you doing? I don't see nothing chopped. I don't see pepper. I don't see onion. I don't see tomatoes. I don't see the mirepoix. I don't see nothing, guys. What she's doing? I mean, of course, I'm coming at you, baby girl. I'm coming at your ass. Let's see.
I like my pasta sauce to be very smooth. I don't like tomatoes, so if there's any chunks in it, I like have to eat around it. So when I make my own, I just blend it, and it makes it so much easier.
All right, she's using automation. Good.
Everyone that I've fed this to has liked it, I think. Right, Alexa?
Yes, I love it.
And it's great for like before you go out. Everyone has a full stomach. So now we have our sauce, our fusilli, pasta. I just wait for the water.
Man,
it's still charmous.
The Italian community will be pissed off, man, about this one, guys. Let's react. I mean, the camera is a little bit shaky. I don't know why, but let's react.
So we are going to dye the pasta green. Red seems like an easy out, and we're trying to stay in the Christmas spirit. How much do I add? I think it was enough. Maybe a little bit more. So if this doesn't taste green, I'm gonna be pissed. Stunning. Now let's add in our pasta.
All right, let's go. Charli D'Amelio in the building.
Mix her around. I'm really just doing this because Alexa was hungry. You're not gonna eat it? What happened if I tried to dye the sauce green?
I think green is the better approach.
Right? It's like we want to be a little outside of the box. Put this shit back in the blender.
Do you want to make it any greener?
I mean, while we're at it, it looks like there's vegetables in it.
What is that?
Looks pretty good to me.
You see, I see a mistake. You're moving too much here and there. You like doing like a marathon or sprint. This is not the way we cook, guys. When we are in the kitchen, because I work at the high level, What we do is that we put everything on the table. We call it the mise en place. Everything is ready. Mushroom here, potatoes here. Everything is right on the table. That way you're not moving, like you're not running on the kitchen. Oh my God, where is this? Where is that? You see, it's all about timing, guys. Manage the time. Efficiency is keys. But I I think she has like a lot to learn, guys, in the kitchen. I mean, so yeah, let me react.
Ooh.
Ooh, pasta! Wow, wow, incredible
Merry Christmas. Ah.
pasta! Wow,
That's how you put a charm.
green processed pasta! Wow, wow.
Spin on it. Let me get my sous chef to make sure that it's done.
Your sous chef is not doing nothing. What she's doing?
Yep. Let me take some
You see, guys, she's running in the placard. She's running right there. She's doing too much. You're running too much. When you're running on circle like this, you can fuck up the dish.
water. Put some pasta water aside. It's done. Ooh.
Ooh, wow.
Our pasta sauce, our pasta water, and our pasta.
Guys, I think that is very, very. There's something like very sexy about a woman in the kitchen. I know they're gonna call me a misogynist. I see it in the chat, but this is very sexy. Woman cooking in the kitchen, being feminine. I like that. That I like that. This is this is very good. This is like a 7 on the scale, guys. If a woman can cook, I like. If a woman is very pretty, sexy, and she can cook, you got me. Let's go.
We're gonna top her off.
I mean, are you doing like a dance, a TikTok cooking dance? What are you doing like a TikTok dance? I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add that. Are you dancing with the food? Are you mixing things? So yeah,
This water just like all develops into one beautiful.
I see. I see. She's cooking.
Someone on TikTok told me to do it.
Of course.
Kids on TikTok. It's facts. Who wants? Who's excited?
Wow. Wow.
Guys better eat up your.
What? This is very processed, guys. Look how green it looks. Very processed. It looks like, yeah. I mean, what? Why is so green? This is.
Your whole bowls. Ooh.
Ooh, pasta. Wow.
Yum.
Woo.
Wow.
Processed pasta. Wow.
Here made by.
I mean, I haven't tasted. At the scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna this or 2. Great effort, but this one it looks like a 2, guys. I mean, this is not original Italian pasta, guys. This is not original. It's very mixed up. I don't see the thing, guys. Let me react.
Charli D'Amelio.
Look at her face, guys. Look at her face. This is like very disingenuous. She doesn't look. I mean, why she's looking down, guys? It's not good. It's not good, guys. It's not good. I'm looking at her body language, her facial expression. She doesn't seem happy, guys. I mean, when people eat her food, I can see if she doesn't like it or not. She doesn't seem like she like the food. Look, she's looking down and stuff. It's pretty good, like she's. I mean, of course, she is like the yes lady, Yes, everything is good, But 10 out of 10. What are you talking about, girl? I mean, even Michelin star who have like a lot of star, they don't get 10 out of 10, guys. To get 10 out of 10 on a dish is pretty hard, girl. What are you talking about?
Like it turned out better than I thought.
I mean, the presentation, I don't like the presentation. There's like a lot of stuff that are missing on this stuff, but this is not out of 10, guys. This is like a 2 out of 10, guys. So yeah, I'm not fucking around, guys. So let's go.
Next time.
You see, if it was 10 out of 10, you wouldn't add meatballs to it. Where is the broccoli? This is like broccoli spinach pasta. Where is the broccoli? I didn't see the broccoli. All you add to the thing is what's processed, mixed together. Like this is like laboratory. So yeah, let me react. This is not out of 10 out of 10, guys. This is a 2 out of 10. Let me react. I'm enjoying this very, very much. So shout out to Thanos. Look, this thing like a TikTok colors pasta, guys. I mean, look at her tongue.
And more for watching.
I mean, she's doing like a dance with the dish and stuff. All right. So shout out to Charli D'Amelio, man. Let's go. I mean, that was a fun video. I mean, I don't hate Charli D'Amelio, guys. I think she is a very nice girl. I know they're gonna call me, oh my God, you're a fucking sub. Oh, fucking sub. Oh. Guys, I actually like her. She's like a very decent, humble girl, with a lot of followers. But Yeah, so shout out to Charlie D'Amelio, guys. Let me react to just